Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI step by step in 2026. Yeah, if you want to research faster, get accurate answers, and save time, Perplexity AI is a powerful tool because honestly, it combines AI chat with real-time search results. So first, go to the Perplexity AI website and sign in. You can use it without an account, but signing in lets you save your history and access more features. Next, start a new search or question. Yeah, type your query just like you would in Google, but here you'll get a direct AI generated answer along with sources, which makes it easier to understand information quickly. After that, explore the sources. Perplexity shows links and references for every answer so you can verify information and dive deeper into the topic if needed. Also, use follow up questions. Yeah. Instead of starting over, you can continue the conversation and ask more specific questions, which helps you refine your research step by step. And switch modes if available. So you can use options like focused search, academic mode, or creative responses depending on what you need, whether it's research, writing, or brainstorming ideas. Finally, save and organize your results. Most of the time, you can bookmark or revisit previous searches, making it easier to manage your research workflow and stay organized. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.